like this and hit it here. Okay. Then sleeves. What is the sleeve number is there?
Where?
One number is there. Number chala jata. Then take the again draft and hit it.
Three of them come out, no?
One more small thing.
Yeah.
बस enough. Simple.
एक और है ना?
एक और है ना?
ये बहुत है।
बहुत नहीं,
It's like
तीन है,
one
तीन
and
है,
one.
तीन
फिर
है।
उसके डालना भी होता है।
इसलिए सेफ्टी शू पहनने के लिए बोलता हूँ। वरना कट जाएगा इधर। ये शार्प पीस देर इधर। नाउ निकाल दिया बाहर और वापस डालने के टाइम पे ना सीधा ड्रिल, सीधा स्टेप flat is there, flat. This flat no same direction like this you have to go whole inside. Don't go this side. देखिए नहीं जाएगा अंदर. Same like this only straight.
ठीक है.
Same again. This one also. और उल्टा घुमा के डाले तुम लोग नहीं जाएगा. कितना भी कोशिश करो तुम लोग नहीं जाएगा. Same again. Lightly push it. Then again here also same like this only. Don't hold here drill, hold it here.
और ऐसे.
Push it.
ठीक है.
Okay, then start the machine. Then how much you want speed here? Speed you have to what change now. Now 2 means 315 speed. 1 you have to use here. This is 1. Now how much? 160. 1, see the 1 here. Now speed is 160.
Because it's set on that 5
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
so it's over there. ठीक है.
5. Here 5 already set it
And
here.
if we put it at 6, then
6
we have
means
to
this
turn it
direction.
the other way.
Other way. Now 2 means 315. Okay? Then keep it the workpiece. Okay? Now start the machine. Lock it this one. First of all, we make it whole center, drill bit. Dot punch, no? According to dot punch, you have to make it center. Then after that, lock this one and use this one. This one. Finish. Very simple drilling lathe.